Sustainable filtration starts with a smarter foundation. The CIF Center Tube Kit provides everything needed for a simple, one-time conversion of existing 6-inch microfilter elements to Facet's smarter, more sustainable CIF and FA-CIF elements. Once installed, the CIF Center Tube Kit enables ongoing use of coreless, metal-free elements. Switching to these sustainable alternatives reduces disposal volume by up to 80%, cuts freight costs, and saves up to 4 hours per changeout. Built from engineered thermoplastic, it offers aviation-grade strength at a fraction of the weight of metal. CIF Center Tube Kits are available in several sizes, supporting a range of housing lengths. Let's walk through the installation process. Begin by removing the existing filter element, leaving the center rod in place. Thoroughly clean the bottom and sides of the vessel to remove any particulate or biological contamination. Identify bottom of center tube. Place the center tube assembly into the housing, bottom guide down, aligning it with the existing element adapter. Install the centering guide over the center rod. Add the top adapter. Secure it with the jam nut and tighten. Slide the CIF element over the installed center tube. Install the end cap. Place the rubber gasket washer onto the center rod, then add the steel washer followed by the steel lock washer. Add the hex nut and tighten. Repeat the process for all elements. Ensure the spider plate is aligned with the center rods. Screw each element with the hex nut and tighten. A simple retrofit. A lighter solution, a smarter path forward. Convert your housing today and unlock sustainable filtration with CIF and FA-CIF.